Hello friend, I welcome you guys to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a professional logo design using polygon tools in CorelDraw. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video and follow this step. You're going to be fine. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create a professional simple logo design using CorelDraw. So let's begin. First thing first, you have to go to your toolbar right here and make sure you click and hold down shape tools. Then make sure you choose polygon. Then after you choose your polygon tools, then you have to come to the polygon property and make sure this is 6. And then you come to the workspace and drag to create a polygon. So by the time you are dragging, you're going to have stuff like this, which means that your polygon tool shape may not be dragged perfectly. For you to have a perfect polygon shape, just press Ctrl key down on your keyboard. You are going to have a perfect polygon. Then press P to centralize. Alright, so the next thing you have to do right here is to increase the width of this polygon shape. For you to do that, you have to come to the outline width. Then make sure you turn this to 10, or let's try something 16. Let's try 20. That's not pretty cool. 25. Let's type in a figure. So let's make it 40. Okay. So 40 width. Now, for you to, this particular shape right here, we need to convert it to object. For you to do that, you have to come to object right here. From the home menu bar here, go to object. From object, you have to go to convert half line to object. So make sure you choose on that. Once you are able to convert this to object, then you can make a duplicate. For you to do that, you can come to the top right here, come to the top of the shape, and press down Ctrl key on your keyboard. And drag with your normal click, and press that Ctrl key on your keyboard to have a perfect duplicate. Then place with your right click. You are going to have stuff like this. Then press Ctrl Hard, Ctrl Hard, Ctrl Hard. You have it in multiple places of your choice. Okay, so with that, you can press Ctrl minus to zoom in. Ctrl minus to zoom in. Now you can select everything. And then when you select everything, you have to come to the menu bar right here and make sure you choose word. Okay, so you can press Ctrl plus to, zoom to the page. Okay, so right now what we can do now is to cut some of the area we don't actually need from this particular logo shape. For you to do that, you have to select your rectangle tool. So select your rectangular tools, and then you just have to draw a rectangle in a shape like this. And then make sure you press Shift key on your keyboard and make sure you select the logo shape. Then with that, you have to come to the menu bar here and make sure you choose trim. So that area has gone and gone forever. So next thing you have to do is to go back to your rectangle again and then draw another rectangle this time around. Then you have to make a rotation. Just click on the center of the rectangle and then just rotate. Then the rotation one, you have to take it right here. So the rectangle should be tiny one. I think I'm satisfied with something like this. Then click on the center point and then rotate. Then you have to take it right here. Then rotate again. Then you have to right click on the rectangle. Make sure it comes to the front page. Right click, order, and okay. So let's select the logo shape. Right click on the logo shape, order. Then from order, then you have to take to behind, Control plus, and we need to make sure that this is actually in line with the shape. Okay, Control minus. Then we have to press Shift key and select the logo shape now, and then make sure we choose trim. Then we have to delete the rectangle now. Now we have stuff like this, Control minus. Then we need to still delete some of the unwanted area. Select another shape, another rectangle shape. Then we can make a rotation. Okay, so we have to select the logo shape now. Shift key and select the logo shape. Then make sure you choose trim. Okay, so we can delete this one. So this is the shape that we need for this particular logo. So we can press Ctrl C on our keyboard and Ctrl V to paste. Then we have to rotate the duplicate one. We have to come to the mirror horizontal and the mirror vertical. So with that, we can use our downward arrow key to take the duplicate down a little bit. Then we can change the color of the logo. So we can make this one red, and the bottom one we can make it dark red. For you to do that, you have to come to the color palette, click and hold down, and then make sure you choose dark red. Boom. So with that, we can group everything. We select everything this way, Ctrl J to group, then Shift key and resize to adjust the logo shape. Then you can press P to centralize the logo shape. So this is how you can make a simple creative logo design using your polygon tools. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial about CorelDraw, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.